So, hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is the correct difference between first and second order reaction is that. So, the options provided are first, the rate of a first order reaction does not depend on reactant concentrations. The rate of the second order re- reaction does not depend on reactant concentrations. So, the second options are a first order reaction can be catalyzed, and a second order reaction cannot be catalyzed. Third option, the half-life of first order reaction does not depend on A0, and the half-life of second order reaction does not depend on A0. Fourth option, the rate of first order reaction does not depend on reactant concentrations. The rate of second order reaction does not depend on reactant concentrations. So basically what we have to do in this question, we have to just basically a correct difference between the first and second order reaction. So basically we have to find out the difference between first order reaction over here, first order reaction and the second order reaction. So let's see what's the correct answer. For the first order reaction, the T half, which is 0.693 upon K, which is independent of initial concentration of reactants. And for the second order reaction, T half 1 upon K A naught 0, which depends on the initial concentration of the reactant. So basically, what it says, the one equation is this, and the other is this. So the correct so in this it is said that which is independent of initial concentration of the reactant, and in this it is not independent, it is dependent on the initial concentration of the reactant. So the difference is this is independent and this is dependent. So the correct difference between them is the option third, which is the half-life of a first order reaction does not depend on A naught. The half-life of a second order reaction depends on the A naught. So this is the answer. Thank you everyone.